The Kittitas County Public Health Department is working with Ellensburg High School to address a confirmed case of pertussis, or as it's more commonly known, whooping cough. The case is associated with wrestling, and it is recommended that all wrestlers, male and female, along with any associated staff, get tested for pertussis. Any wrestler from Ellensburg High School and associated staff or family should contact their healthcare provider for a PCR test. Whooping cough has been increasing in Washington state. The illness can cause severe cough and can be especially dangerous for infants. Vaccination is the best prevention for pertussis. Please contact your healthcare provider regarding the vaccinations available.